Right here we got the first floor of the dome being constructed. This is going to have concrete put over to the top. Here's a hanging chair that's not exactly completely secure. Over here is the hot tub, and here are some pipes that are running through and out. To get the water hot, a long black pipe coiled around itself many times over is pumped through this actual tub itself so that the sun heats the pipe and the water inside. And this over here is a fish pond with some plants growing around the side on the wall and some vines up ahead. In total, there's over 40 vegetable and fruit growing on this property as well as the next, and I'll start naming some. Loofah, which everyone knows what that is. Loofah paste, which is a type of tree that bears a seed. When mixed with water, it can make a soapy substance that people use to wash their clothes themselves with. Watermelon, 6 different types of bananas, 4 different types of plantains, and several types of palms. Green peppers, tomatoes, grapes, granadillas, maracuya, lime, papaya, strawberries, squash, guava, calaika, which is a vine that bears a bittersweet fruit that's used as a medicine. Chachalaco, that's a tree right over here actually that has little seeds that come off of the stems and are covered in a white gelatinous substance. Kind of sweet, leaves your mouth kind of slimy. Now we're outside, and here's some squash being grown. A lot of it's been dried up by the sun, so it's going to need to get some water soon. All these plants have to be watered every day, otherwise they're drying up like these have been here. And here's some calaika growing on this tree right here. Vine, actually. And here are vines growing over the top to give a natural shade to the whole dome. Those are plastic bags on top of a dying tree that's supposed to expedite the dying process, so it can be moved out of the way and built over. Alright, so in addition to those, there are also various roses, bamboo, I think I named bamboo, blackberries, which they call mora here, make pretty good juice, aloe vera, soybeans, broccoli, asparagus, Nancy, which is also grown off of a tree and has a gelatinous yellow covering over the seed. Not very big, a little smaller than grapes, but also still delicious. Isote, which is a white flower that its petals are used to cook a lot. They go well with eggs and onions and asparagus. We also have guabanas, sapotes, which are peach fruit that have large seeds and are really sweet. Paterna, which is a green fruit on the outside and it's white on the inside, pretty close to guabanas, except they're long instead of round. Then there's this fuzzy red fruit. Some people call it a custard apple here, but no one really knows what it is. In any case, it looks like an apple and it's also pretty delicious. We also have pineapple, mango, oranges, lemons, grapefruit, cashew, avocado, and coconut. And here's some bamboo. And over there, you can see the top of the ping pong hut.